Hey, Trent here with the Rogue Outdoorsman channel. Thanks for tuning in. This week's video is kind of a two-part. The first part, my friend Jared and his son Lane had an early archery bull tag. They're out hunting and smelled something dead. He sent me a drop pin. I was able to hike in and find out what it was. The second part of this video, one of my neighbor's kids drew a local rifle bull tag in a unit here close to town. I spent one evening with them and we were able to get it done on a nice bull, and this is some of the footage there. So thanks for tuning in. Hope you guys enjoy the footage. Well, I've been hiking around in here. My friend Jared said he smelled something dead while him and Lane were in here hunting. I think I finally figured out what it is. There's a dead bull carcass over there. And look at this beauty. Freaking sweet 7x7 bull. Check that out. It's gonna stink. It's not super fresh. It's obviously peeled away from the flesh already. I think the animals or the bears or what are drug it over there. But check out that palmation over there on that back end. Super rad. See how thick that is. Super cool bull. Let's get them packed up, hike to the creek, clean them off, wash my hands, and let's get out of here. Well, I got this stinky bull on my shoulders. It's not that stinky though, because he's kind of older. But packing him out of here. Got about another half mile to the truck. And I'll be out of here. All right, so here's the second part of that video. I went out with my neighbor and his son. I think he had his nephew with him maybe, and a few cousins or something. But we were sitting on a ridge from about 3:30 to 4 until dusk. Right as the sun set, we were all sitting there and I spotted some cow elk coming down, I don't know, maybe 600-700 yards from us to the west. And sure enough, there was a bull with him. I got a quick look at him. I could tell he was at least a 7-point on the right side. I made a quick judgment call and Kleet and I ran down a couple hundred yards. I knew they would probably come out towards this water tank towards the bottom. And sure enough, I kind of fumbled the footage a little bit. I didn't have my normal recording device. I was just using my regular cell phone. And I got part of the footage, but the bull actually was coming down this hill. I whistled, he stopped behind a tree. We didn't have a shot. Then he started moving again and I started cow calling. He stopped. Perfect broadside shot at 200 yards. And this is the footage. You drilled him. He's dying. Kleet just shot at a bull. I don't know if I got the best video or not. I was trying to make sure he knew and could see where he was. I know he hit him. I could hear it thump him, and he bucked. Should be right over this hill. There he is. I can see him. See him? Watch. Come here. See the antlers? 7x7. Maybe a 7x8.
Well, it went where I aimed.
You stumped him. Nice. Nice work, man.
Thank you.
What do you think?
Awesome. Yeah. My first elk.
First elk? Yeah, that's a hell of an elk for a first elk. This back end is awesome. But dude, he's a stud. He's skinny. Look how bony his hips are back there.
Oh, yeah. Well, now the real work begins.
Yeah.
Where's Dad?
What do you think?
7x8.
Yeah, he's technically an 8x8 with that little devil tine on the right side. How's that for a first bull?
You don't have anything to look forward to. Wow.
It's all disappointment from down here.
Wow. The bullet went in on the other side and came out right
So
here.
where were you guys when you shot it?
We were just,
Bottom there.
yeah, right in the bottom.
Coming through here?
I was worried he might stay in that tree line. We caught him on the ridge right there moving. And I said, okay, watch this clearing right here. They're gonna come through right there. And they actually came down, which was even closer, like a 200-yard shot.
So you just put it right on and pulled it?
I have to draw in 12 years. Dude.
That's what I'm saying. I lived in the valley then. Are you gonna, well, I don't know, we'll figure it out. Let's just go to my house first. Or unless you want your kids to see it. Right by your place.
Yeah, Russell. I
Right
think,
by my place. If there's something there, we'll string it up there. I've got that
and Russell, Jay, and ours will
barn. Who knows? Maybe there's a.
Well, here's the other question.
After Kleet shot this bull, I had mentioned how skinny he looked. When they were cutting this bull open, they found a broadhead and a broken off part of an arrow in his backstrap. Not sure if it was from this season or last season, but that's one of the reasons why he was so skinny. Thanks for tuning in to this week's video, guys. Appreciate you guys watching all the videos lately. If you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed, you can click this icon right here in the center and be subscribed to the channel. If you missed some of our previous videos, you can click in the corners on these links, get caught up on those videos. Always go back to our main channel website and you can catch up on all those videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends.